frothing up the mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning
Hey y'all, happy Sunday and welcome back to another weekly vlog. So today is actually pretty exciting for me because I have been needing to do this for a while and just, I don't want to say procrastination, but it is procrastination, so I'm gonna have to say it. But we are actually going to be making a elderberry, well, let me see all the stuff I got. An elderberry, goji berry, burdock root, who's that? Dandelion root, ashwagandha syrup. Oh, and it's also gonna have cloves, cinnamon, and ginger, and a little bit of turmeric. So that's the syrup that we're making today. And the reason why I was, once again, always supposed to have created this syrup a while ago, actually. But as you guys know, we weren't mobile, and so I'm very particular when it comes to, bless you, when it comes to the purchase of honey. And I need it to be local honey, and I need specific like strains of honey as well. And so I was not able to actually go into a store and find the dark honey that I was able to look at and see if it was local and da 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 da. And so it's been months since I've actually been able to even like shop for herbs or anything, and I need a restock. Like look at my dandelion root. Like what is this? It's literally 2 ounces. Like what? My ashwagandha is not even at 2 ounces. Everything is low, y'all. My burdock, bless you. She's okay. This is about 2 ounces too. And my elderberry is at a good 2 ounces as well. But that's not a lot. And so I really wanted to do this syrup, like I said, because I was able to actually purchase this like via Instacart. And I loved it. And I was like, oh, okay, cool, cute. But then I was like, I could just make this. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. But I think I'm going to add in lavender. Actually, no, because I already have the ashwagandha in there. Actually, I might still add the lavender just to give it a little something. And so that's what we're going to go do now. I already have my pot.
Mommy, I did a jellyfish.
Look, yes, that is the jellyfish. I bought a lamp
No, Mommy,
today because I had to go to the Home Depot for some detergent. And so I bought this lamp that I've been eyeing since the last time I went. And here it is. It's really pretty.
Look the book.
Yeah, that is the pamphlet for them. It is so cute. Look. And
wow.
So it's another take of like a lava lamp. And I thought it was really, really cute. And so she's obsessing over it. But Genevieve, what did Mama say?
What did they
Our thing is boiling. Let's get our water going so that we can get this show on the road. So, chewing on the cinnamon stick. But I already put in all the herbs. I've added in my turmeric powder. I also have a couple of tinctures to add in. But now I'm about to chop up my garlic. I'm trying to see like what parts are nice and breakable. So I'm gonna use this for my where is the stuff? Alrighty, I guess. But yeah, very, very easy. Not difficult to make at all. This is literally how it's looking so far.
Wow.
It looked real good, though. Now, I often get people who ask, like, why do you do this? And now I don't get that question so much anymore, because y'all should know why I do this at this point. But my YouTube fam may not know why I do this, because I have not been on YouTube talking about this for too long. But as you guys have heard me say, I am a traditional midwife. And these are things like making your own Siwo, having your own apothecary in your closet, being able to heal yourself was more than just common, like growing up for me. We rarely went to the doctor.
Cap.
Anytime we did go to the doctor, it was for something that, you know, like if we had
Cap.
a persistent ear infection and nothing seems to be working, then we'll go to the doctor. Or, you know, if after the 3 to 4 day mark of being sick, you don't really see any improvements, or it's actually worsening, we might actually want to go to the doctor and just see if maybe it's a, you know, viral infection. Maybe you need some antibiotics or something. You know, maybe it's something serious that what you're doing. But for the most part, going to the doctor was a luxury, because it is, right? This is for like emergencies, if there's something really, really serious, something that needs that kind of technology for. But for the rest of the time, you should be able to do anything, literally anything and everything to take care of your family.
It's Papa.
It's not Papa. Papa's not here. To do anything.
What?
At home.
Cap.
No, baby, please don't cut the ginger. So I made the syrup, and it looks exactly like the Zarbee's one. And I was not expecting that, but I was like, ooh, I literally made it again. And so I was able to make about 14 maybe ounces in this one. I think that's a 16 ounce. And then this one is 4 ounces. So we got a lot of syrup going on here. I ended up actually mixing in some agave as well, because it's just a really good sweetener. But it tastes really good. I think the only thing is that the smell of the Siwo, the cloves, can be like, what's this? Meanwhile, the Zarbee's one smelled sweeter. But it's literally, the only thing I did not add was chamomile, because I didn't have chamomile. And I totally forgot to add the lavender as well, but it is what it is. I did add the essentia at like towards, not the end, but like I remembered like, oh, I didn't add that. And so I added that in as well. And so it looks really good. I taste tested it and everything. It tastes good. It's not bitter. It doesn't taste like, it doesn't give you any of that. It's more so of like the smell. If you're like, I don't know about that. Then the smell might deter you before you actually taste it, but it tastes really good. And so we're going to have to try it. We're going to have to test it out on our unsuspecting victim. And another great thing is that you could just put this in their drinks too. If you have a kid that's not too keen on cough syrup or any kind of syrup, especially like a throat syrup or congestion, mucus and stuff like that, and they're just not really into just drinking medication just bare, you can add this into like their favorite juices or a smoothie or something, and you'll still get the same exact benefits. So it's a win-win, you know, if the kid is like, I don't want to eat this. And it's like, all right, fine. You don't have to like not eat it. I don't want to drink it. And it's just like, okay, well, here's a juice. Gotcha.
Your identity reveal another pretty little.
Hey, y'all. Hey. Happy Monday. I was about to say happy Tuesday.
Mommy!
She did not let it charge or whatever. That's not my problem. But hi. Happy Monday, y'all. I am just loving the fact that it is Monday, mainly because today is hubby's Friday, and so he's off tomorrow. And it's just like, oh my gosh, we just came back. Like, you just, you know, you was just off. I love when he's not at work. It's just absolutely amazing. But as y'all can see, I am sitting on, first of all, he got a new chair. Like, how cute, cozy. And then it leaned back, y'all, like, hold on, wait. Ah! Did he lock this? He definitely did. That man.
Please pick on the end.
There you go. Hey. But and it comes with a footrest. No, I have to put y'all down for that. Like, look at this. It comes with a whole like contraption. And it's a whole like, what? Hey, I made a fort. Super random, but it's so cozy, you guys. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go in. It's a cute little fort.
Whoa!
Look at our fort. It's real cozy in here. I'm actually about to get started on some Bible study. And then I'm going to heat up some food. And then I'm gonna eat. And then I'm gonna edit. There you go. That's why I was like, what else was I saying I was gonna do? I'm gonna edit, eat, Bible study, eat, edit.
Scheme. Save her mind. Hold her hand. And don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley. Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach. Like the angels do. And you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader.
Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. So we are in the car right now and we are heading out to guess where we going. He gonna get chased. But we are going to Waffle House. As y'all can hear, I'm starting to have a little bit of a congestion going on. Oh Lord, and it's bothering me. And so there's that. Even Jenny, I told you guys, she was having some she's having some mucus, just like a runny nose and slightly coughing. For me, my throat is just super itchy, super scratchy. It's just so bad. And then I have like kind of a runny nose, and so it's like the only thing I ever like ask God for is please don't let my nose get stuffed up. I promise you, for me, that is the worst thing. I hate not having access to my nose. It is so annoying. And so I'm happy it's just runny. I don't care. But a stuffy nose is literally like the devil's playground. Like, please leave me the fuck alone. Just leave me alone. And so I'm very thankful for that. But we are going out for brekkie. And I'm very excited. I do want to try something different. I feel like we always get the all-star special. Or at least, you know, I do. And it's just kind of not giving anymore. It doesn't feel like that's the mood that I'm in. And so, yeah. But my outfit, y'all, I'm gonna have to show y'all my outfit. My outfit is really, really cute today. Very cutesy. Let's get in the sun. This is clear skin. We have definitely been using that soap and I love it. Hair is looking cute as usual. I'm wearing one of the shirts that I showed you guys in my Shein haul. And so there's that. But it's 11:52. Let's hold over to my house.
Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act out.
Got my brekkie. Everybody got theirs. There's Jenny's. There's hubby's. He did not get the All-Star Special today.
Let me get the salt.
Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. Right, I ended up just getting a burger. I wanted to try this other place that's by us. I think it's called 2 Eggs or 2 Links or something like that. Either way, we're gonna try it next time. That's gonna be our place to go to.
Jenny,
Chicken.
she just grabbed the whole thing and stuffed it in her mouth.
Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.
We're gonna head over to Ross because why did I tell you why I'm going to Ross?
Did you?
Oh God, why am I going to Ross?
You probably need something.
I mean, I do.
Bra.
Yes. All right. We are here. But I have to show you guys my outfit. It's so cute. So the shirt says you. I don't know what that word says, but it's a really cute shirt. And y'all saw this skirt I showed y'all. Let me have hubby show you guys the back of my shirt. It's so cute. Alright, so once again, Ross just does not have what I need. Which is so annoying because it's Ross. And so we are at the Max. And the Max is close to Burlington. And so if Max doesn't have what I need, we'll go right into Burlington. Ooh.
Wow!
That is cute. Aww. It's like a mini bag for Jenny. That is cute. Ooh, the purple is cute too. The purple's really cute actually. This is definitely gonna go viral on TikTok again. You remember last year when people were literally fighting for one of these? So I actually ended up finding this really cute Dutch pot, which is something that it has been on my list of things to just whenever you can, just buy this. And so I seen one, and it's a really cute size. It's like Christmassy theme, which, okay, it's a good one, which I don't give a saying about the theme. But it is, I think, $14.99. Okay.
Cow. 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 Cow.
Okay, y'all. So TJ Maxx clearly was much better. But I also knew that. Like, you can't go to Max and not find not only what you need, but what you don't need. Max is the original Target, okay? The new kids is talking about Target like Target's that girl. That was Home Goods, Marshalls, and Max. Okay. But I did get some things I want to show you guys. That definitely was a good retail therapy. I needed that. Alright, so as y'all can see, we are back home. So this is the pot. How cute! And it got a little star on top. Like, I love it. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. It is clearly a new day. And I'm not feeling 100%, but I'm not feeling not 100%. I'm not, I don't know. I don't know. I literally have no idea what I am right now. But I am alive, so that's good. Glory to God. And that's literally like the only thing. That's like, yay! You're not dead. But throat is still hurting. Head is pounding. My body feels just a tad bit weak. So that's how we're feeling. Ears are a bit ringy. And I have work to do. And so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let me show y'all the outfit for today. This is the outfit. I'm wearing a nice little skirt. And basic sweater. Let's get ready to unbox. My favorite thing. Yo.
Wow! That's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Do you like it?
You like that?
Yeah, if you like it.
Y'all see that?
Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hey y'all, it's another day. And I'm going to down my hair. I'm like retwisting it. I am repacking my bags again because I just need to be back home. And so let's do some orders.
I just can't describe the type of love we man define tonight.
Hello? Can you hear me?
We good? Can't hear you, my love.
Hello?
Okay, there you go. Now I could hear you. Was it connected to a car or something?
Yeah.
I couldn't hear you. I was gonna say, I got paid this morning. So I was gonna say, do you want me to send you like $40?
Alright. So we are in Kroger. Getting just a few tingabings. There was something else. I got her the fish. There was something else that I needed to get, and I can't remember what it was. Let me go get some orange juice at least. But yeah, I sent it off though. Did that. I've never seen Huggies like samples like that. And so now, like I said, we at Kroger, just getting a few things. And yeah. Let's go ahead and get some orange juice because I done got my stuffy. What is going on? Nowadays, like the Kroger brand used to be amazing. Now they done revamped, I guess, and it's not amazing anymore. Like their orange juice used to be like one of the few orange juices that was just not from concentrate, 100%, you know, orange juice or whatever. Now I was talking about 100% orange juice, 99% not from concentrate, blended with from concentrate juice. Y'all know what concentrate is? It's not whatever the drink is. Let me just tell you that. It literally is not. And then I don't understand these no pulp drinks. What orange have y'all met ain't got no damn seeds or something, no pulp in it? Like that to me is just weird. But they never tell you like what it mean when it says from concentrate, because it's not from. I remember hearing about it, and someone was like, it's actually not the juice. Like whatever you think it is, it's not it at all. And I'm like, oh, like you see, look, this one, the Kroger lemonade. This one's a really good one. But they done fucked up their orange juice apparently, so I don't know what to say for that. But alright, let's go get our stuff and then get out of here.
Trying to make the belt work.
Okay, so we are done shopping. It is cold and I did not bring a sweater. Thought it was cute. Which is definitely a dumb move. Speaking of how I've been feeling, my nose, it's like spicy. I don't want to sneeze though. But alright, we made it to the car. Let's go ahead and get in. Alright, y'all, we are back home. We just did our exchange where I literally get out the car and he's coming in. And so I put everything away. Y'all, I spent $46. Y'all saw everything that was on that conveyor belt. Like, hey y'all. Oh, what's that? What's falling out of the pocket of my... We are dropping hubby off. We're going to TT's house. Watch out. Yeah, there's a door. Love you. Love you too. Have a great day at work. Huh? Oh. I'm so used to our remotes, like push to start cars, because he used to leave with the remote, and I'm like, you have the remote, I can't start the car without it. The keys are in the car. But we are actually heading off to my sissy's house. And so, whoop, 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 whoop. Why the heifer? I told this heifer like almost a week ago that we were coming, and then I like reiterated like, yeah, we're coming this week, we're coming Saturday. And I just told her now like, oh, we're on our way. She said, oh Lord, girl, how you not ready for us still? But yeah, let's get our seatbelt on so we can get out of this kind of traffic and whatnot. Jenny in the back. We got food. We got a bunch of stuff. It's the house though.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Alright, so we made it. I just finished parking. I am just trying to grab. Alright, let's go to TT's. You want Mama to hold Rubble?
No.
Okay, well, you just gave him to me, so. It's not spooky, you're okay. Alright, you wanna hold Mama's hand?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
I know, right? Let's go upstairs.
Where are you going?
Hey y'all, so we are here. There's this halal place that Sissy was telling me about that she had went to. And yeah, if you know, and I think, right, because I don't really know. It's an other video. I don't really know what else you would call these food trucks, but for us as New Yorkers, we call them halal trucks. Even though halal is how you process stuff. But that's what we called them. And first of all, I haven't had one in years. It's been a long time, very long time. And so you can't just go to any place and ask, do you have chicken over rice? You have lamb over rice? Because it's a specialty. Like these halal food trucks are a specialty. Anyways, long story short, she said that she had found a place and it was good. They gave her the pita bread, it had the sauce, it was good, and it looked good. It looked so good. And so we're about to go over there and try it out. But seriously, I'm so excited. I have not had that kind of food in a long time. That's that nice long grain rice. A good seasoned lamb or chicken with a little bit of a salad. Oh, bon Dieu. That's just good food. It's just good food. And then depending on where the person is from who's cooking it, a lot of times they may be Arabian, sometimes they're not. Or they may be like, one time the person was like Lebanese or something. Or like they're Palestinian or whatever. Either way, let's go get it.
Yeah, right there.
How do I, oh.
Take your time.
Hey y'all,
Flip it.
it's your girl B Foreign on the track. What's better?
Oh, so now it's taking it like it's your phone.
We don't want that. This is taking it if I'm on YouTube?
No. So when you turned it on and it was that way?
We outside tonight. Yeah. We outside tonight. This is real cutesy. Very cutesy, very demure. We're gonna get some halal food from a halal truck that's allegedly from New York, but I had it and it tastes so good. Like, it tastes like it's from Stop 4, and if you know, you know.
Okay.
Say hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
Period. We outside.
All right, y'all. So sad news. The truck wasn't there. You okay? Take your time. Oh Lord, I'm praying for the top of the car right now because I'm not going back in. But alrighty. But we are at Chipotle, and so we are going in there and just kind of gonna see what's up. What is this? Blase pizza? You know that's how they wanted it to be pronounced though. I'm pretty sure. But it is a really nice day today. I thought it was gonna be cold. And it is not. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Why did I look like Shayla for a second?
What?
I look like Shayla for a second, yeah. It does. But we're in Chipotle now. What do you usually get? A bowl. I don't be coming here that often.
It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid of.
Hello, y'all. It is the next day, a new day, and we are heading to the store because we have our family holiday shoot coming up, and I am so excited. I love holiday shoots. Oof. And we have not done one literally since the first year Jenny was born. So that's a long time. But I'm heading to the car, trying to put my stuff up. Supposed to be like that, but whatever. This is what they have for dresses. Not one holiday gown. This is despicable. Does it speak for the community? Does nobody look nice anymore? Is that what it is? People wear... Oh, Lord. This is sad. I could have never went to New York and not found a whole section of holiday dresses. Like, never. And they would have had it matching for the whole family. Kids have a mini dress. Husband got a dress. What is going on here? I think Georgia is like just so spooky. Two-piece velour suits. They have 3 racks of 2-piece velour suits, y'all. But not a rack of beautiful holiday gowns. So I'm gonna go ahead with this one. I'm at Burlington right now, so it is $20. Yeah, and so I'm just trying to see how I can, because I'm not that great with sewing. So I'm gonna have to look. I'm gonna have to Google that, how to close that up. This option. Oh, that's a poor option. Yeah, I did kind of like this one, but like I said, it's a little purpley. But it fits better because this one is a 4. Yeah, well no, it's a small. So it fit me much better. And I think that's why I liked it, because I was able to see how it looked. But if they had this same style, but in black, man, that would have been perfect. But yeah. Okay, y'all. So we actually just tried on 3 dresses. And you guys, when I say I am utterly disappointed in Burlington, I'm actually just disappointed in the whole state in general. But as a former Burlington worker, this is disgusting. I have never been inside of a Burlington one that did not have a proper rack of dresses. You know, if there was anywhere that you could find a good church outfit, good outfit for you to bust down in, it was Burlington. And this, I don't know. It's just not it. And once again, I don't know if it's the demographic of the state, but they need to stop shopping for the state and start shopping individually. So I picked up this black dress because it was literally the only good option. And it's a size 6. And so I'm trying to see if I perhaps passed by a size 4. Because apparently I'm a 4 now. Or I might not even be a 4, to be honest. I might be a 2. Which is the most annoying thing, right? And it's not the size that I am that's annoying. It's the fact that the last time we were looking at like gowns and dresses, I was definitely much thicker, right? I just had a baby. So I was like a size 12. Thick. And I loved it. But guess what then? I could barely find stuff in my size neither. And it was so frustrating. I ended up finding this beautiful green velvet gown. Oh my gosh, y'all, it ate literally. And ew, I remember being that size and saying like, dang, like that is really unfortunate that I cannot find anything in my size. And you know, like, this is kind of crazy. It's a bit sad. And then boom, now I'm skinny Millie, you know, sexy slim, and I still can't find anything in my size. This has to be a conspiracy. Like, it has to be a conspiracy.
Open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to